Mm.
I never snitch on you there.
So, this is my cousin. She came here to braid my hair, which I love it. And we are at a bar, but it's outdoor, which is nice. And she's leaving tomorrow, and I'm going to LA on Friday, which is in 2 days. So. This is Jamari's.
Special known as J-Mar.
Slaymar.
Bad Bitch Bar. Sidecar.
Don't listen to her bars.
I was a rapper in my, you know, other life. I'm still stuck on that you told me about lesbian nails.
Oh my god. Show the camera. She got lesbian.
I have lesbian nails.
Because she had to braid my hair, so she had to cut them down. But she didn't know that until I told her.
So now I'm like,
Now she's
I don't want somebody to look at me like this bitch be fingering people.
that white man is red as hell over there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, have you had that tequila bottle that everybody be posting on Instagram? Or used to post?
The blue one, Azul. This is not there. Yeah, I had it.
Thank you.
Oh, lovely. You want to start the tab?
Yes, please.
You got a card? I'll give it right back to you.
Credit
Yeah.
card. I just saw it.
I got the strawberry mojito. Thank you.
Of course. It's not going away.
Okay, baby.
Thank you. Of course.
We gotta get us some snacks because it's about to go down. It's about to go down. Trying to get these lights to... Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, we still have lights under the bed, but I think those are gonna stay on. I think we're good. Is that the bathroom light on?
No, that's the hallway light that wasn't on when we first came in.
Okay.
Okay, I can do with the lights under the bed. It's dark enough.
Yeah. Good morning. There's Ashley. We are obviously in LA. We are about to go to the Fashion District, and then we are gonna meet our friend Jasmine for brunch. She lives out here, but she's from Michigan as well. And I don't know, we're gonna do a bunch of random shit today. So yesterday we were supposed to get here at like what, noon?
Yeah.
And then
We didn't get here until 10 o'clock
yeah,
at night.
because her flight got, was it delayed or canceled?
Canceled.
Canceled because she flew out of Michigan and then there was a storm in Chicago.
Yeah.
And then I went to sleep and missed my flight. So I had to get a new flight. So we didn't get here until like last night. So last night we just, there's a rooftop, which I'll show you guys. And we just ate and drank and went to bed because We in LA, but a bitch was tired. So you guys will see our little journey today.